So guys, today we're gonna test 3S. As you can see, I'm running the 3S battery, and we'll make this test to see how much we can extract from this motor and this gear. I use the slick tire because in the test it was proving that it's best for speed test. And this is the module that I talked the last video. This is the GPS model. How it works? It works like that. The GPS model is connected to the receiver, and the receiver is two-way connection, so it can connect to the transmitter and send information to the transmitter, and the transmitter will connect to the cell phone by Bluetooth, and it will get the IoT information, the telemetry information, and send to the phone. As you can see in the cell phone app, you can see the throttle, you can see the speed, and you can see the battery full. Here you can see the voltage. You can see that I have full charged 3S battery. So let's race. This will be good. This will be really good. As you can see guys, 83 kilometers in the cell phone and in the GPS.